Mihango ya gucagura Arutwo a kirathi gia form 1 na ni thukuru irikuo megukorwo makiigira itanyitwo kurikirira ihinda-ini ria ciumia igiri ciukite. Mihango ino igithiaga na mbere, aciari aingi ni maikitie ihoya makiuria ciana kuheo mieke thukuru-ini iria o ene mecagurire. Kuringana na Minister wa Githomo George Magoha, thukuru ciothe igukorwo ikigairwo arutwo uria kwagirire, akiuga gutiri gitumi o giothe kia aciari kugia na wagagu.
You shall ensure that all Kenyan children are given equal and fair and just treatment, including those children in the slums, including those children in the far-flung arid and semi-arid areas.
Akiaria kaunti-ini ya Mombasa, Magoha augite kuri na mutaratara wa kuigananiria thukuru ciothe Arutwo kuma icigo ngurani cia bururi.
We want to be sure that there's a child from Marsabit at Kenya High School, there's a child from Nyeri in Kenya High School, there's a child from Mombasa here in Kenya High School. That's why they are called national schools. And we do this without apology to anybody, because it is fair and just.
Ihinda-ini riu akiuga mibango no irathie na mbere niguo gucokereria mathako bona thukuru cia hingurwo.
And most likely, as we open for the new year, we shall relax that aspect, because we now feel that it's probably safe enough to do so.
Maya mokite riri Arutwo kuma thukuru itiganite mathiete na mbere gukunguira maumirira ma kigeranio gia KCPE maria marekereirio thiku igiri hituku.
I believe that God has given me more marks than I expected. He has done exceedingly well to me. He has blessed me. I also would like to thank my teachers, my parents, and most likely my Creator God for giving me these excellent marks.
So I want really to appreciate the CS Makoha's remarks this afternoon, that the selection to the high school will be free and fair this time round. As the private schools, we really appreciate that, and we are looking forward to seeing that when the time for selection comes. So our plea as the private schools, let this time the selection be fair, as the CS has assured us.
Arutwo aya mari na ihinda ria mweri umwe tu gukorwo makihariria kuingira kirathi gia form 1 wona tamu ya mbere ya githomo ya mwaka wa 2022 yambiriria mweri-ini wa gatano. Hadini Hakameme TV, gitagugina wa Wadugo.